Marwadi Principal Ma'am. Ma'am, may we start?
Good morning, Rajiv. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, we all have gathered here today to attend another motivational session by our worthy Principal Ma'am. We all are very blessed with your presence, ma'am. So, on the behalf of the entire Science Department of Kamla Nehru Public School, I welcome our respected Principal Ma'am, all the parents, and my beloved students present over here. So let us begin the session by seeking the blessings of Lord Almighty. Now, I would like to invite Harshdeep to please start the prayer before we actually proceed with the session. Harshdeep, please.
Good morning, everyone. So, let's join our hands and close our eyes and pray to God. O Lord Almighty, bless us with good health and strengthen us in our work. As the world is suffering from harsh times due to this deadly disease COVID 19, keep us under the shadow of your mercy. We seek your wisdom and insight during this pandemic. Keep us safe to do your will and give us courage and peace to face each day with trust and confidence in you. Amen.
Thank you so much, Harshdeep, for praying for all of us. Thank you. So, we have always been blessed and guided by our respected principal, ma'am, from time to time, and I'm sure that this interaction will be a real source of motivation for all of us, ma'am. So now I request our worthy principal, ma'am, to please start the session. Ma'am, please.
Yes. Good morning, my beloved students. Good morning, the great teachers of Kamla Nehru Public School. Good morning to all the parents. ਮੇਰੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ. My children, you have a concerned mother here today in front of you. Your principal, your mother in school. Your mother in school who's sitting today at home and worried about the 74 students of grade 11. Children, you're great students. Great in the sense, tough times, unprecedented times. But in spite of all this, we are here together. So let us look back and thank God and let us look forward and trust Him. There are many, many people in this world who who were defeated by COVID. We are still up and right. We are still strong and sturdy when it comes to COVID. And all thanks to Lord Almighty that today we are sitting here in our places synchronously. 74 students in 74 places, 74 homes with about 7 odd teachers sitting in their places. And here we are connecting, all thanks to this wonderful Microsoft app Teams. I'm worried. Why do you think I'm worried? You know, I just can't extend my hand out there and give a pat on your back and say, oh, let's do it together. I just can't shake hands with you any longer. And that's what I always loved during the school time, shaking hands with everybody and saying, oh, you are the best. But then what? I still can say, oh, you are the best. I still can pray to Lord Almighty and say, oh, God, take care of my children. They are the best. Children, the purpose of today's meeting is a little, thinking about, a little pondering on the situation, pondering on this unprecedented time, pondering on COVID time, pondering on teaching, which he never did earlier, and pondering on learning, which students never did earlier. Now that all this is happening, and this is the reality of life, the best thing for you and me and everybody else to do is to accept it and adopt it. The uncertainty of COVID-19 is most difficult to handle. We really don't know when the school is going to open. We really don't know what the future lies in front of us. We really don't know when are we going to get vaccines, and what if we are actually vaccinated? Would it really work? They say once you're vaccinated, you might be affected by COVID, but not to the extent. The effect may not be so painful, so tiring, so challenging for the doctors as it is when we do not have the vaccine. And they say the chain of infection from one person to the other stops when we are vaccinated. So when the entire world is working on vaccination, when they say in US and UK they will be vaccinated soon, when they say that the president of USA, the President Trump and Biden, all of them, and even other dignitaries have decided to get this vaccination done openly in front of everybody, it speaks volume. Normally, a vaccine takes 5 to 6 years to 10 years. But look at the cooperation and the collaboration of the world around, that this vaccine could be, we are getting it in 7-8 months. Children, coming back to we as students. You joined somewhere in April, most of you. Of course, some joined in June, and there will be one or case who joined in July also. Looking back at our journey, it has been remote learning through and through. But are we not lucky enough to have remote learning? Are we not lucky enough to have listened to our teachers every day? Are we not lucky that you could even put questions to your teachers? Are we not lucky that we have office hours where the doubts can be cleared? Are we not lucky that we have well-being class when teachers are dedicated to your well-beings? ध्यान से सोचो मेरे बच्चों, मुश्किलें हैं, उन मुश्किलों का समाधान भी होता जा रहा है साथ के साथ। उस मालिक के लिए, उस परवरदिगार के लिए हम शुक्रगुजार हैं। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कर रही हूं जेड़े पेरेंट्स सुन रहे ने। अज मेरे आउण दा मकसद इक्के है कि मैं बच्चों दी बांह फड़ ला अपने टीचरां दे नाल। हाउ टू होल्ड द हैंड्स ऑफ आवर चिल्ड्रन। बांह फड़ना मतलब उन्होंने किस तरीके नाल असी काम करिए कि साडे बच्चे 11वीं तो 12वीं च पहुंच जान। बेटा एक गल बहुत बहुत क्लियर है कि अगर हम ये सोचें कि हम अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली 12वीं क्लास में चले जाएंगे तो ऐसा नहीं होगा। हमारा एग्जाम लाजमी है, बिना एग्जाम लिए हम लोग 12वीं में नहीं जा सकते हैं। और एग्जाम भी टिपिकल एग्जाम पेपर पेन होगा, 3 घंटे वाला एग्जाम होगा, पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस आए 11वीं में पढ़ रहे हैं। अगर हम किसी वहम में हैं कि कोई नहीं कोविड है सारे बच्चे अगली क्लास में चले जाएंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है। आज 3 महीने पहले मैं यही बताने के लिए आपके पास आई हूं और ये पूछने भी आई हूं कि क्या करें, आप क्या करें, हम क्या करें, पेरेंट्स क्या करें कि हमारे बच्चे 11वीं से 12वीं में पहुंच जाएं। और इस किस्म का कोई एक्सक्यूज कि what could we do during COVID times? Who studied during COVID times? Well, we study during COVID times because we teach during COVID times. Please understand, इसको lightly नहीं लेना है, इसको मजाक नहीं समझना है। ये मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड हो रही है और इस मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड में हम यही इस बात पे एम्फसाइज कर रहे हैं कि हमारा पेन पेपर टेस्ट होगा और CBSE के भी अभी लेटेस्ट कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस आए हैं। उन्होंने भी कहा कि पेन पेपर टेस्ट होगा 10वीं और 12वीं का भी, और उसी की गाइडलाइंस पे आई एम हियर टू टेल यू दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द पेन पेपर टेस्ट। हम लोग एक कमरे में 6 बैठेंगे, कॉरिडोर्स में बैठेंगे, वरांडों में बैठेंगे, हॉल में बैठेंगे, सब जगह बैठेंगे। हम फिजिकल डिस्टेंस को मेंटेन करेंगे, लेकिन हमारा एग्जाम होना लाजमी है। So understand that the exam is there and we need to study. And you also have to understand, children, that when you go to 12th, after 12th you have to sit for some competitive examination. उन competitive examinations में 11वीं क्लास का सिलेबस और 12वीं क्लास का सिलेबस आता है। If we take our 11th class curriculum and the syllabus very lightly, how are we going to do and sit for the competitive examinations? If you have decided to go for a particular stream, for some medical examination or for some engineering examination, for that reason some other sort of examination where your competition is still there. Aeronautics engineering you would like to go, you would like to go for architecture, or you would like to go for some sort of examination which is the basic of evaluation, or you want to sit for some university which is there out in different country. For everything you have to sit for an examinations, and examinations competitive are competitive examinations, and for that your curriculum of both 11th and 12th should be on the tips of your finger if you are visualizing that you're really going to clear yourself. So please, my dear students, here is your principle to tap a little bit and say you need to be focused. See, if only I could study and sit for you for the examination, I would have done. All your teachers are so well versed with the curriculum, they would love to sit in your place for the examination. But that doesn't happen in the real world. In the real world, the real child sits for the real examination in his or her own name, and the real child get the results in his or her own name. So you need to understand. So we've already crossed 9 months from April till now, and we just have this December, January, February. So in these 3 months, let's do everything possible which we haven't done. But अगर आप when we say 75% attendance is compulsory, और आप लॉग इन करके कहीं घूमने चले जाते हैं, कहीं बैठ जाते हैं, नुकसान किसका हो रहा है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? आपका हो रहा है. आप सुनेंगे नहीं, पढ़ेंगे नहीं तो कैसे पास होंगे ना? ठीक है, जो हो गया सो हो गया. In case you missed 1 or class or more, please from now onwards make sure you're focused. आप पूछिए जो ऑफिस आवर्स हैं कि इसमें I haven't followed this topic, please tell. You're so lucky to have such great teachers, such wonderful teachers. वो कभी ना नहीं कहते. आप जितनी मर्जी पूछिए, as many times you ask, they're always there to tell you, to guide you. You're just too good for words. आप precious हो, आप अपने माँ बाप के लिए precious हो, आप स्कूल के लिए precious हो, आप इस country के लिए precious हो. आपके it's on your shoulders rest the country. How good you are, how trained you are, how much values you carry with yourself is what is required to move to the next world. The next world of your future. The future where you're going to spend rest of your lives. So understand that, and for that, I request you to be focused on the academics. By now, you must have some idea of the culture of the school. Time pass नहीं है, ये precious आपका year है. तो क्या हुआ? कोविड हो गया, सारी दुनिया में कोविड हो गया. हम अकेले नहीं हैं. We are in this together and we will come out of this together. सब एक साथ बीच में हैं और एक साथ निकलेंगे. And let me tell you, आप सोचें जिस दिन कोविड बंद हो जाएगा, इन्फेक्शन नहीं होगा, उस दिन मैं पढ़ूंगा, तो ये तो 1 साल भी चल सकता है, 6 महीने भी चल सकता है, 4 महीने भी चल सकता है. जाते जाते जाएगा कोविड. हम देख ही रहे हैं फर्स्ट साइकिल ऑफ कोविड, इतने लोग इन्फेक्शंस हो गए, इतने so many actually lost their lives. फिर सेकेंड साइकिल ऑफ कोविड आ गया, फिर थर्ड साइकिल ऑफ कोविड आ गया. जिन कंट्रीज में खत्म हो गया था वहां दोबारा आ गया. हो सकता है कीपिंग सेफ, फिजिकल डिस्टेंस एंड वेयरिंग अ मास्क वुड बी पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ अ लाइफ फॉर अ ईयर और 2. ये हो सकता है. हो सकता है कि स्कूल्स अब ऑनलाइन ही हो जाए, बहुत सारे स्कूल. अब पता ही नहीं है, अनसर्टेनिटी है. वी डोंट नो व्हाट द फ्यूचर लाइज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. बेहतर ये है कि हम अपने पर्सनल फ्यूचर का ध्यान रखें, पढ़ाई करें. नॉलेज और स्किल्स तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, और उस नॉलेज और स्किल्स के लिए आपका राइट पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड चाहिए. हम बैठ के रो के वक्त नहीं गवा सकते, हम टीवी देख के वक्त नहीं गवा सकते, हम म्यूजिक सुन के वक्त नहीं गवा सकते, क्योंकि 11th और 12th तो हमारे ऐसे इयर्स हैं जो हमारी आने वाली जिंदगी का सारा डिसीजन लेते हैं. दे टेक द डिसीजन फॉर द फ्यूचर. आई एम गोइंग वर्निकुलर. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे कुछ पेरेंट्स जो बच्चों के बैठे हैं साथ में, वो कुछ हिंदी भी सुनना चाहेंगे, कुछ पंजाबी भी सुनना चाहेंगे, और कुछ अंग्रेजी भी मैं बोल रही हूँ. So this is the purpose, reaching out to people and making them understand what we are talking about. सेल्फ रेगुलेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हर बार मैं सेल्फ रेगुलेशन की बात करती हूँ. लेट यू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सक्सेस एंड लेट यू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर इफ यू डोंट डू वेल. आपकी कामयाबी के लिए बच्चे आप ही जिम्मेवार होना चाहिए. आप नहीं कामयाब होते, ये नंबर कम आते, उसके लिए भी आप जिम्मेवार हों. आप 16-17 साल के हो गए हैं और इस 17 साल में कुछ 18 में होंगे. क्या हम अपनी जिंदगी की जिम्मेवारी नहीं उठा सकते? उठा सकते हैं. मुझे 90% चाहिए, उसके लिए मैं ऐसे पढ़ूंगा. मैं तो बस खुश हूं 70% से, फाइन मैं इतना पढ़ूंगा. लेकिन जो भी आप अपनी मंजिल तय करते हैं, सब कुछ नंबरों का खेल है. और अगर नंबर ही चाहिए तो पढ़ के ही आते हैं, तो पढ़िए. एक दूसरे पे रीजन नहीं देना कि मैं इसलिए नहीं पढ़ा, मैं उसलिए नहीं पढ़ा. कैसे पढ़ते? सब पढ़ रहे हैं, सारी दुनिया पढ़ रही है, सारे बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आप भी पढ़िए. एक बात पक्की है, एग्जाम में पास नहीं हुए, आप स्कूल में आके परेशान होंगे, रोएंगे, हाथ पैर जोड़ते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं. कई बार पेरेंट्स को देख के हमें तकलीफ होती है, लेकिन हम क्लास तो ऊपर भेज ही नहीं सकते, वो तो पास होके ही होता है. फिर होता है कि आप मैम कैन यू प्लीज गिव अस अ प्रमोटेड सर्टिफिकेट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. नहीं होता इस कमला नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल में. दिल से पढ़ाते हैं, मेहनत से पढ़ाते हैं टीचर. यहाँ के टीचर अपनी जान देने को तैयार हैं बच्चों के लिए. ऐसे स्कूल में पास के सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिलते. ऐसे स्कूल के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, दिल लगा के पढ़ते हैं. So by all means, I pray that good wisdom prevails in your heads and heart, and all of you actually study. बैठ के सेल्फ पिटी नहीं करना, मैं बेचारा, मैं कैसे पढ़ता. कोई बेचारा नहीं है. आपकी जिंदगी आपके हाथ में है. Your life, your future rest in your hands, in your heads and hearts. Plan it. जीतो. जीतना बहुत बहुत it's such a good habit. Once you embrace success, you would always like to be successful. So go ahead and succeed. अपनी प्लान बनाइए दिन भर की, मैंने ऐसे करना है, मैं इतने बजे उठूंगा. और बड़ा बुरा लगता है when you are not there for the teachers period. ये कौन सी बात हुई कि 10 मिनट का जो क्लास टीचर पीरियड है अटेंडेंस वाला, उसमें आप लोग आते नहीं है. फिर सब्जेक्ट में आते हैं, फिर फर्स्ट पीरियड में आ जाएंगे, सेकंड में आ जाएंगे, तो थर्ड में नहीं आएंगे. ये तो ठीक नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट गुड. और अगर आप तीनों पीरियड में अलॉन्ग विद द 0 पीरियड 10 मिनट वाले में प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगे, तो बेटा आपको एब्सेंट मार्क कर देंगे. बहुत दुखी दिल से हमें कुछ डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं. कुछ डिसीजंस फर्म होते हैं, कुछ डिसीजन फ्रेंडली नहीं होते, but those decisions make our children strong and prepare them for the future as such. And that's what we want. जब आप स्कूल से निकल के जाएं तो आप एक you put your head up, your chin up and you walk out confidently. वो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. हम तो मिल ही नहीं पाए आप लोगों से इस बात का जितना आपको the sadness you have, the sadness even I have. बहुत कुछ प्लान करते हैं हम 11th क्लास के लिए कि उनके इंटर हाउस मैचेस होंगे, कुछ स्पोर्ट्समैन होंगे जिनको ग्राउंड बहुत पसंद था, स्कूल में आए थे तो ग्राउंड देखा था. कुछ सीरियस स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो लैब्स देख के खुश होते हैं. वो सब तरह के बच्चे हैं. और आज वो जो चाहते थे वो नहीं कर पा रहे. पर आसमान तो नहीं गिरा ना. द स्काई हैज नॉट फॉलन. इस साल नहीं करा तो अगले साल करेंगे, अगले साल बेहतर हो जाएगा. और अगर नहीं भी हुआ और इसी तरह से स्कूल चलता रहा, फिर क्या हुआ, 2 साल बाद ठीक हो जाएगा. अब कॉलेजेस में यू विल बी योर ओन सेल्फ. बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज ड्यूरिंग दिस जर्नी वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ब्रेक डाउन. हम सब थक गए हैं घर में बैठ बैठ के. आप भी थक गए, मैं भी थक गई हूँ, हमारे पेरेंट्स भी थक गए हैं घर में बैठ के आप लोगों को देखते देखते. लेकिन इस थकने से हम प्रिकॉशंस ना लें, हम बेफिक्री से घूमने लग जाएं बाहर और हमें कोविड हो जाए, कितना मुश्किल हो जाएगा माँ बाप के लिए. कोविड का इलाज अगर आप देखें प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में लाखों में चला जाता है. आम हॉस्पिटल में देखें तो डर ही लगा रहता है कि हम लोग ठीक तो हो जाएंगे ना. सो प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. इससे पहले कि हमें इलाज करें तो हम अपना प्रिकॉशंस ले लें, वही बेहतर है. तो आप जहां भी जाएं मास्क पहन के जाएं, सैनिटाइज करें अपने हाथों को, और साबुन से धोना इज द बेस्ट वे विच वी कैन डू. एग्जाम्स जो हैं आपके वो कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, मल्टीपल चॉइस होंगे। मल्टीपल चॉइस में ध्यान रखो, जब तक आपको अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आ जाता, आप कितना गेस वर्क करेंगे, कहीं गलत भी हो जाएगा। एंड मोर ओवर ड्यूरिंग एग्जामिनेशंस वी हैव 2 टीचर्स इन अ क्लासरूम। सिर उठा के पूछने का वक्त नहीं मिलता अपने स्कूल में। अपने स्कूल के जो एग्जामिनेशंस होते हैं वो बहुत ही सीरियसली लिए जाते हैं, उसमें एक दूसरे से पूछा नहीं जा सकता, उसमें कोई शीट्स एक्सचेंज नहीं होती, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता अपने स्कूल में। अपने स्कूल में हम अपने बलबूते पे खड़े होते हैं, हमारे नॉलेज और स्किल से हम अगली क्लास में जाते हैं, हम ऐसे ही नहीं चले जाते। और उस नॉलेज और स्किल्स को लाने के लिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू नीड टू स्टडी वेरी वेरी हार्ड। थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल्स में पास होना बहुत जरूरी है। अब सवाल है कि प्रैक्टिकल्स तो हुए ही नहीं तो कैसे काम चलेगा? We are working on it. Rajiv sir, who's the coordinator for the science, he's got an app, and online practicals can be done. So he's planning for it. In case it's already done, fine. Otherwise, we'll be starting shortly. So you will be evaluated for those practicals in that similar manner, the way we teach you, the way we do it. So please understand, is dunya mein everything has changed. The way of evaluation has changed, the studies has changed. But one thing is sure, we are not going to have a similar evaluation as we had it in September. Now this is on a serious note. You will be promoted to grade 12 on the basis of your February examination, February-March examination. Please understand that. We wanted you to adjust, and so we had made your September examination, term 1, a little light so that everybody adjusts. And as we move to the fag end of the year and to the coming year, we need to understand that we have to work very, very hard. Coming to other points, self-study is very important. ना टीचर पढ़ सकता है आपकी जगह, ना कोई पेरेंट्स कर सकते हैं। पेरेंट्स आपको ठीक खाना दे सकते हैं, ऐसा खाना दे, आपको बाहर नहीं खाना चाहिए। कमिंग टू द फूड हैबिट्स, यू हैव टू ईट द फूड व्हाट योर पेरेंट्स और योर मदर कुक्स एट होम। घर के बड़े बने खाने वर्गा कोई खाना नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਉਹ ਦਾਲ ਰੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਘਰ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਪਿਓਰ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗੀ with lots of nutritious नहीं कोई और खाना हो सकता। जो साफ सफाई घर में होती है वो बाहर के खाने में हो सकता है ना हो। सो सही खाना खाइए, अपनी तंदुरुस्ती का ध्यान रखिए, अपनी फिटनेस का ध्यान रखिए, और उसके बाद अपनी पढ़ाई का ध्यान रखिए। अगर आप आजकल घर हैं तो ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे। प्लीज बी इन टच विथ योर क्लासमेट्स, अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ टच में रहिए। आप ग्रुप स्टडी करिए कि हम 4 फ्रेंड्स हैं, हम चारों मिलके पढ़ेंगे। मैंने आज ये पढ़ लिया, आज मैं तुमको ये एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, तुमने ये चैप्टर करो, यू एक्सप्लेन दिस टू अस, एंड इन दिस वे 4 of us are going to do 4 chapters independently and share with the others. And when I share my chapter with the others, one, I understand the chapter very well. And the others who have listened to me, when they study that particular chapter, they would find it much easier because you have already explained them well. ग्रुप स्टडी कर लीजिए, स्टडी इन पेयर्स। अकेले में आइसोलेशन लगता है तो सोच लीजिए, you can use this Teams app for your group study. See how your teachers can help you. You can think over how you can, maybe the teachers can have these groups made or something. Breakouts rooms are being planned by Teams. I hope when that happens, maybe we'll be able to do it. Otherwise, let's see what we can do, how you can plan your group studies. That would be very, very nice. Now, once your syllabus is over, which I'm told would be over soon, completed soon, we'll have the revision classes. Now, these revision classes are very important classes. Please make sure you attend. Soon we'll be having your December evaluations. Once it is done, then we'll go for another evaluation in the month of January, and finally February end, March beginning, we'll be having the final examinations. So, and for all these evaluations, we expect you to come to the school at your own level. We don't expect the buses or something, and if the buses have to come, you have to check it out from at your own level, because buses are outsourced, and they would come if you so desire. If you are in touch with the transporter, we can work on it and we can think on it. To sum it up, children, unprecedented times, yes. Difficult times, yes. Never experienced before, yes. Different style of learning, yes. but we are the strong children. We are going to rise up to this uncertainty, to these challenges, and we are going to come out in flying colors. And for this, your teachers are behind you to support you. The parents are there to support you. The school is there to support you. And my prayers, the prayers of the principals are there. Principal is there to support you in a big way. I hope, Lord Almighty, I pray to Lord Almighty to bless each one of you so that you can work very, very hard. All right? Now, children, I'm open to any questions which you would like to ask. Please, you can unmute yourself and let me know if you have any question. I'm there to answer your questions, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this another fruitful session as usual. So you always guide us. Thanks for holding the hand of the students at this time when they are sitting at home and feel lonely. As usual, you say, ma'am, that sky is the limit, and I'm sure this wording is always there in the mind of everyone. And I'm sure student will adopt all your guidance and which is you have shared. And thank you so much, ma'am, for this another fruitful session. And surely, ma'am, now some students they want to share some of their experiences throughout this year. Some are new students, some are our old students. And I just want to take your permission, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, firstly, I invite Rosalie to please share her experience. And if she would like to ask some question to ma'am, she can ask. So, Rosalie, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. So, this is Rosalie Kathuria. Ma'am, I want to share my virtual journey with everyone. I always feel very happy when I think that during this pandemic also, when I am at my home, I am studying through these online classes. It's a privilege for me that I am connected with my friends and teachers in almost the same way I was connected when I was attending offline classes. Our school has provided us so many opportunities to participate in various activities that were held in our school earlier. Throughout this virtual journey, I have been a part of art competitions, music activities, speaking activities, workshops, as well as prefectorial board selection also. As a result of which I got opportunity to become school prefect. It was a beautiful journey throughout, and I thank our worthy principal ma'am and respected teachers for making our journey more prosperous. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Ma'am, I want to ask you a question. Ma'am, may I?
Yes, go ahead,
Ma'am, my
please.
question, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my question is that as our unit test and final exams are very close, so ma'am, can you please tell some tips that how I can manage with all my subjects?
You know, it is as simple as what we do in our school. How do we manage the curriculum in our school? We make a timetable, right, in the school. First period this, second period this, third period this. In these many periods, I'm going to finish this much of curriculum. It's exactly the same which you have to do at home. Please plan out your day. Please plan out your timetable and say, this is my revision timetable. Revision comes when you're already comfortable at the first go. So first of all, please study all those chapters, plan it out, learn them, prepare them, and have your own notes, do everything possible. And once that is done will be your revision time. All right. So planning out the day is the most important thing which need to happen. All right. So please plan out. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Now I request, I invite Shweta to please come up and share her experience. Shweta, please.
Good morning, respected ma'am. Ma'am,
Good morning to you.
I would like to share my experience during remote learning. First of all, I want to say I am so lucky to be the part of this prestigious institution. Our school is providing online education in a best way. What I observed is that no other school is providing regular online classes. Moreover, we are also getting opportunities to participate in various activities and competitions. I participated in poem recitation. We are also celebrating festivals virtually. I have also given speech during Independence Day celebration. I took part in Vigyan Prasar video making competition. There is no doubt that I am missing my school days. But I am so grateful to our school for providing such an environment through which I can interact with my teachers and friends. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to ask one question. May I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, please share some tips to boost our immune system during this COVID-19.
Okay, all right. You know what? What do I do? What does this woman do? Eat healthy, exercise, sleep well. These are the three mantras. So eat healthy means anything and everything cooked at home is healthy. Please make sure you eat well. Exercise. Personally, I go for walks, plenty of walks in my house on the terrace. I do lots and lots of walking. Twice a day I go for walk because of young boys and girls you are. But this old woman really has to work hard for her health, you know, to be fit and fine and take care of you, the wonderful responsibility I have of the children. 74 children of grade 11 I need to take care along with all other classes. And then, of course, it's early to bed and early to rise. I follow the age-old rules. I sleep pretty early, 9:30, get up at 5:30 at the most. Sometimes sleeping could be 10, but normally I get up at 5:15, 5:30, and I'm up and out for my walk in the house. So please make sure you do all this. And then breathing is very important, when now, especially when the winter is there, the oxygen level of a body needs to be higher. That's what I've learned. COVID, mein oxygen kam ho gayi, oximeter chahiye, and all that stuff. So what I realized is that we should be doing lots of breathing. So I do Anlom Vilom Pranayam, breathing from one nostril and holding my breath and then coming out, breathing out slowly. All this needs to be done. कुछ नहीं तो simple deep breathing कीजिए. When you deep in, when you breathe in, your stomach should be full, and when you breathe out, your stomach should go inside. So when you it is just like a balloon being filled up. So please don't take this lightly. Health is very, very important. If you are healthy, you'll be able to study. If you're not healthy, how would you be able to sit? So fitness of the body and the mind is both important. Mind with lots of oxygen, lots of breathing, maybe close your eyes and do a little meditation. All that is required. When the teaching methods have changed, the learning method needs to be changed. So please take care of your health. Eat well, sleep well, and study well. God bless you, darling.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I invite Harshdeep to please share her experience. Harshdeep, please.
Good morning, our the principal ma'am, my respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Harshdeep Kaur from Plus 1C, and I want to share my experience during this remote learning period. Starting from the beginning, when we heard that schools are going to be closed due to COVID-19 lockdown, we all were worried that what would happen next. How would we continue our studies? Then, under the able guidance of our worthy principal ma'am, a new way of learning, remote learning, was introduced in our school. I feel very lucky that I am part of this school which helped me to study and in gaining knowledge during this harsh time too. I am very grateful to my respected teachers. They created effective and beautiful lesson plans, worked for day and night for us. They are clearing all our doubts in virtual office hours. Another effective aspect of this remote learning period is well-being calls, in which we refresh our minds, we interact with our classmates and our class teacher. We also got chance to learn about various helpful apps like Sway, Kahoot, Wakelet, etc. And I am also happy to tell you that through online nomination only for prefectorial board, I got chance to become school vice opportunity, school vice captain. This remote learning period is proved to be full of opportunities for me and my schoolmates. For this, thank you, ma'am, and thank you all my respected teachers. Ma'am, I also want to ask some question.
Okay, go ahead.
As we all know that you were also a science student. So how did you cope up with the difficulties being a science student? So that please tell so that we can also get some help from your experience.
Oh, my dear, it was long time back when I did my post-graduation in physics. I just loved physics. I was crazy for physics. You know, the love for science made me go for science. And I'm sure all of you, none of you are forced to study science because your parents wanted it or your elder brother, sister wanted it. I hope it's all from your heart that you want to study science. And science needs time. Science needs hard work, and science needs that typical brains to comprehend, visualize, and understand the concepts. So when it comes to, in the good old days, we always had a pencil and a paper or a notebook where we would read from our books and jot down the points and revise it. So if I have a chapter of 35 pages or maybe sometimes more, in that case, I would make a summary of the entire chapter with the points written, and I would clip it up with the first page of the particular chapter. So if you would look at those short notes and you could just close your eyes and revise everything, that's the type of preparation which is required. I remember no blowing trumpets. You have taken me down the memory lane. In a subject, I got 73 out of 75 in one of the physics papers. Another one, I got 74. Overall percentage was very good. I was a topper there in my college and also a gold medalist when it came to B.Ed. But all this is sharing because want you to do the same. Not blowing trumpets, my dear. Those are good old days. How does it matter, now? But the amount of satisfaction I get when I look back and say that, we really worked hard. We would be up till 2 a.m. Some of us, and we did go for group study. I will study this chapter and I'll teach you, and you study this chapter and you teach me. We would study in pairs. And good old days, we were just two girls in physics, rest all were boys. Science was for boys perhaps, but somehow, the stereotypes had to be broken that girls don't go for physics, so I went for physics. Actually, I liked physics, I liked science. So first the graduation in science, and then you pick up one subject and I went for that. So revise. That is the success mantra. The way you revise it, it's your choice. But many times at least, I keep saying you need to go through your entire curriculum 4 times. First, till September once, what have you done? Then December examination once more, January examination once more, and once before the final examination. 4 times the entire curriculum, and you have to understand it. You just can't by heart it. You can't by heart science. You have to understand science. Understand, then you'll retain. If you don't understand, you'll forget. So you have got still some time with you. You have the remaining part of December, January, February. Please study very hard. अब बातचीत से वक्त नहीं निकलता, बातचीत से काम नहीं चलेगा, पढ़ाई करके ही पास होना है. All right, work hard. Oh, you all can do it. You've got great teachers.
Thank you so much.
God bless.
Now I invite Vijay Pratap to please share his experience. Vijay Pratap, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Vijay Pratap from class 11B. Although I have never met you physically and only have came twice in school, but I will try to share what I observed and experienced so far.
Okay.
My online classes in in this period of COVID-19 are a convenience, and I remember the first day when I took admission. It was also actually through an online means where I first met Rajiv sir.
Okay.
And it was a nice experience, but not only that day, the whole session, this amazing session was a very wonderful experience, and I am proud to be the part of this institution and have really and got really great opportunities. And it's not hidden from anybody that how hard our teachers and principal and the school management work to deliver us the best possible education in their hard times. And none of the Thanksgiving can get up to the efforts of their our teachers. Thank you.
Hey,
Ma'am, I would
Vijay.
like. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. We are so thankful you have joined this school. You might be liking this school, but we like you. We like every child who joins this school. We just love our students. We are here to support them, stand by them, stand behind them. We just want you to come out in flying colors. That's the policy and culture of the school. And Rajiv sir is a great teacher. No two opinions about that. Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you rather two questions. Ma'am,
Okay.
first, what motivated you to become a school principal?
Oh. Yeah. So, shall I answer this first?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, you know what? I have been a naughty leader all the while. In school, I was the head girl. In college, when I did my graduation, I was the president of the Students' Union. A sportswoman, played hockey for nationals. And then, somehow the leadership qualities were there. And I just, I just love to lead and do everything possible for my team. Somehow inbuilt, perhaps. So when I became a teacher, I knew one day I have to be the principal of a school. I've taught very, very seriously and religiously, worked hard to reach where I am today. It was never a cakewalk. It was interviews. It was people tested you for your this thing, and then it's sheer hard work which made you reach where you are today. So I'm thankful to Lord Almighty and to all my beloved teachers and all my beloved students who aspire to lead in their life. Vijay, whichever field you choose, may you be on the top of the ladder one fine day. And and success is not, sitting in the lift and moving up to the top floor. It is always climbing steps. It's no elevators to success. So please keep working hard. I would just love you to do very, very well. Not only Vijay, but every child of grade 11th need to come out in flying colors. We'll beat this COVID with our performance in academics. Let us make a record so that when we look back and say, COVID, कुछ नहीं किया हमारा, हमने तो पढ़ाई करी बहुत ज़्यादा. That should be the spirit. All right, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am. And the second one, if you were to describe a school principal in 3 words, what they would be?
Oh my God. Tough question. Part of the team you lead, there are 5 words. You have to be part of you can't lead from the front if I elaborate. You can't be moving 10 steps ahead of your team. You have to be in the team, adopt the team, and walking in between the team with people all around you. The entire group should be moving ahead. That is leadership. Not far ahead. Leadership is in between. Leadership is trust, it is faith, it is love. All that is leadership. It is surrendering also. You have to surrender. You have to forsake so many things when you want to lead. Remember these, son?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing I wanted to just ask that as you said, we have to give our internals in December. So, do we have to give them offline or online?
Everything will be offline now.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
And I'm
it
sure.
was nice interacting with you.
Thank you, son. I'm sure your teachers are going to actually finalize. This is a small opinion which I had, which I've shared, but I'm sure the science department, all teachers are going to put their heads together and share the plan ahead. How do we move ahead? And what they say would be final.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now I invite Kashish. Kashish, please.
Good morning, worthy principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to share my remote learning journey with you all. First, I was questioning myself whether these online classes would be knowledgeable for us or not. But all thanks to our worthy teachers, because of their time management, these classes would be very interesting from last 8 months. As we know, our school suggests Team app for online classes. With this app, we can stay connected with our friends and are able to clear our all concept and doubts very easily. The great thing I want to share with you is that in this pandemic, we students get a lot of opportunities to increase our IT skills and get to know how virtually we can interact with our teachers. Our school is the only school who is supporting the 17 SDGs during these online classes, which is a really very big achievement for us. At last, I would like to say that our school is the best school in the universe. Thank you and have a nice day.
Kashish, our school is the best, and this school has the best students in the universe enrolled. Yes. And this school has the best teachers. Such dedicated teachers you'll never come across anywhere else. They're wonderful, wonderful teachers.
Ma'am, may I ask you one question, please?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can you please share any motivational experience with us which can give a life lesson to us?
Success is sweet. It's very, very sweet. And once you succeed, you always want to succeed in life. But that success is hard-earned. You just can't lie down and relax and be successful in life. Success demands action. Success demands hard work. Success demands walking an extra mile, which others don't do it. So in order to be successful and for students to be successful, it's doing much, much better in the examination. For students to be successful, it's lots of relation management between their friends. For students to be successful, it is lots of values which they need to take along with themselves. People with values are going to move ahead. One day, if you are not carrying any values with you, you are not trustworthy, you don't collaborate, you don't communicate well, you don't think, you don't have those 21st century skills which are required, you would be lost. You don't have to be in this city only or in this country only. It's collaboration through and through. You need to find a solution for vaccine. Scientists from America, England, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all are putting their heads together. Collaboration is the key to success. So learn all these things and I'm sure you'll succeed. And this is all I could do to motivate you. This is what I learned from my teachers, from my school, and this is what I would like to pass it on. That's it, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Now I invite Ishan. Ishan, you can please share.
So how many questions left? Yeah, Ishan, go ahead. Who's there? Ishan?
Yes, good morning, respected principal.
Good morning, dear.
I want to share my experience of remote learning. According to me, remote learning is one of the biggest blessings for us. Yes. I'm very thankful to Principal Ma'am for having a great idea of remote learning with teams. I have seen so much change in me in this lockdown, which is only because of these sessions. Remote learning gave so many IT skills and confidence. Teachers are very supportive as they are always ready for our queries. They never say no to us. Thank you, ma'am. This wonderful experience is all because of you and the school team. Ma'am, may I ask one question?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, your which achievement is most important or most blissful for you?
Yeah. Coming to the achievement, if I can win over a heart of a person, of a student or a teacher, that is my biggest achievement. बच्चे दुनिया में कुछ नहीं रखा हुआ है. एक प्यार भरी कुछ लाइनें किसी बच्चे का हौसला अफजाई कर दें, किसी टीचर के दिल को शांति दे दें. यही है. You know, I have traveled my life quite a bit. काफी सीनियर हूं मैं आप लोगों के हिसाब से. मुझे यही समझ में आया है कि ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप इज द बेस्ट थिंग. You know, what are we here in this world for but to make life simpler for others around us? बस यही होता है. एक दूसरे की मदद करना, एक दूसरे को हेल्प करना, एक दूसरे के दुख दर्द में खड़े हो जाना, बस यही जिंदगी है. जिसको ये जल्दी समझ में आ जाए वो अच्छा है. Competition करना है, अपने आप से करो. This time I got 85%, next time I'll get 87%, 90%. Competition में दुश्मनी हो जाए, bad trust हो जाए, वो ठीक नहीं है. So the best is if you can help somebody, that is a great achievement. Every day you help somebody, that would be great achievement. That's it.
Ma'am, we are left with the four more students, ma'am. They are.
We have to be very quick, son.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Sure,
you have to be very quick. Yeah.
So Gautam, can you quickly come in and share your experience, or you can ask your question directly to ma'am?
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am.
Good morning, dear.
Ma'am, first of all, thank you for lightening our lives with education, like a candle, even in this pandemic period. You have touched lives of every person, not only in this school, but all around the world. Not everyone can do this. It's just because of you, ma'am. It's just because of your leadership and dedication that this year as well, I'm able to serve our school as the school vice captain. I'm also been able to attend various webinars and participate in many competitions, including poem recitation, Rapper's Delight, NCC training, and many more. Thank you, ma'am, for your support. You are the reason that Kamala Nehru Public School is differentiated from the other school. At last, ma'am, I want to ask you a question, ma'am. May I?
Yes.
Respected ma'am, during this lockdown period, as a principal, what were the challenges that you faced and how you dealt with them?
Challenges were my students' education to continue. This was the only challenge. And for this challenge, I'm so thankful to all the teachers who rose up to the occasion, learned new skills, prepared lessons, presentations, practiced amongst themselves, mock sessions we had, and then with all the confidence and grace, they went to the classes and taught. I'm so indebted to all my teachers. The challenge was, handled, was met because of a great team of teachers in our school. And then a great team of students who accepted the new world of remote learning. So thank you, my dear students, and thank you to my great teachers. That's it, Gautam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
God bless.
Now, Dilpreet, can you please come in and ask your question, Dilpreet?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Dilpreet from grade +1B. Ma'am, I want to share my experience. May I, ma'am?
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I heard a lot about your school before, and then I came here along with my mother for my admission and to give entrance exam. And I also met you and Upasana, ma'am. Everything from the school reception to your office was very good, and everyone spoke to me very politely and lovingly. But later on in the online class, due to this COVID-19, I first spoke to Rajiv sir, and he explained me everything about how to attend online classes and how to use Teams app. They made me Microsoft ID, and from there started my online journey. Despite being a new student, I never felt like this because every student here talked to me very fondly. The teachers talk so politely that I never feel that they will ever get angry. All my doubts are clear in the well-being calls and virtual hours. I get so many opportunities here where I can show my skills, and in Skype sessions we have got a chance to talk to people from other countries as well. Ultimately, I would like to say that I am very happy to be a member of this institute. Thank you, ma'am.
Dilpreet, we're equally delighted to have you. You are a great student. Keep working hard. This is the future, remote learning. We don't even see, but still we study. So this is the future. Let's adopt it, embrace it, and move ahead. God bless you, darling. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, now I invite Harsimrat Kaur, please, to join in.
Good morning, respected ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Harsimrat Kaur from grade 11B. Today, I would like to share my experience in this institution. As we all know, this year was little different and hard for everyone out there. But even though after all these challenges, our school management, respected principal ma'am, and teachers worked together and helped their students to maintain their studies in this sensitive situation. I personally feel myself very lucky to have such great teachers who give us best presentations and help us to keep up with our studies. And also would like to appreciate Rajiv Vishit sir, who helped and guided me in choosing the right field, as I was new to this school, and on top it was a pandemic situation where no one was allowed to meet personally. So I would like to thank you all very much. And I must say, I had a great experience in this school till now, and I'm looking forward to the next year as well. I hope this pandemic ends soon and we will meet together in the school premises. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Simrat, let's keep our fingers crossed and wish for the best, right? Surely we would like to meet you in person. And thank you. I'm so happy that you are liking the school. Yes, our school is actually very good. You all make it good. The teachers make it good. Thank you.
Now we are left with Nakul. Nakul, I invite you. Please share your experience. Nakul, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, Principal Ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, may I ask you a question?
Yeah, welcome, son.
Ma'am, who was your role model? Or is your role model?
You know what, Nakul, my mother had never gone to a school. She just had informal education, and she's my role model. She would work tirelessly day in and out to take care of 7 siblings. We are 6 sisters and 1 brother. The only one left in India I am, and all my sisters and my brother's also here in an army, and my sisters are there in US. And this lady, she would work very hard so that we could do well in our lives. And when we grew up, she would say, it's a little emotional, but that's it. 2 of my sisters are doctors, she would say, मैं उस दिन डॉक्टर बन गई जिस दिन मेरी this daughter became a doctor. मैं उस दिन professor बन गई जिस दिन मेरी daughter professor बन गई. मैं उस दिन army ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਰਤੀ ਹੋ गई the day when my son joined the army. So I just love her, adore her, and she's my role model. Sometimes role models are in the family, and the role models teach you a value, and that value is lots of hard work and dedication to the family. Perhaps that's what we have learned from her, to do well wherever you are, love everybody around you, and work very hard. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for taking me down the memory lane. Thank you, dear Nakul.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for patiently interacting with the students and answering all the questions. I know number was more. And now, is there any parent who want to interact with ma'am?
कोई माता पिता कोई सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं तो जरूर पूछिए. मेरे पास सारी दुनिया का समय है. मुद्दा हमारे बच्चे हैं और हमारे बच्चे हमारे लिए बहुत कीमती हैं. उनके लिए कुछ भी पूछना हो तो कभी भी पूछिए. पता नहीं ये बड़े वाले बच्चे अपने मम्मी पापा को साथ में बिठाते हैं कि नहीं बिठाते, राजीव, नहीं मालूम.
Yes, ma'am. We are invited all the parents, but yes, we don't know, ma'am.
वाकई नहीं पता होता, पर चलो उनकी दुआएं तो बच्चों के साथ रहती हैं ना. Their prayers for their children to succeed is always there. कभी भी किसी ने कोई सवाल पूछना होता है तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिए. टीचर्स कनेक्ट कर देंगे प्रिंसिपल के साथ, कोई बात नहीं है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Here's Rosalie's mother.
Oh, that's so nice. Lovely hearing your voice.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, मैं आपका thank you बोलना चाहती हूँ, जो आपने इतने कोविड के टाइम में बच्चों को बिल्कुल स्टडी से दूर नहीं होने दिया, उनको स्टडी प्रोवाइड करवाई और इतने अच्छे ढंग से कि बस आपकी क्या तारीफ करें मैम. मैम, बहुत ही हम खुशी फील करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे आपके स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनको इतने मुश्किल टाइम में भी कोई आपने मुश्किल नहीं आने दी, बिल्कुल स्टडी वाइज भी और अदर एक्टिविटीज में भी। मैम आपने तो कमाल ही कर दी स्कूल में, इतनी अदर एक्टिविटीज भी आपने पूरी, मतलब पूरा स्कूल वाला ही माहौल है पूरा।
ये कमाल उपासना मैडम करती हैं और चारू मैडम करती हैं। चारू मैडम एक्टिविटीज वाइस प्रिंसिपल हैं और वो बखूबी से अपनी जिम्मेवारी को निभाती हैं। कोशिश पूरी रही है कि हमारे बच्चे कंफर्टेबल रहें, किसी चीज को मिस ना करें। रोसली तो मेरा ख्याल नर्सरी से पढ़ रही है, उसको 12वां साल होगा, लेकिन कुछ बच्चे हैं जो इसी साल ज्वाइन करे हैं। उन लोगों को जितना हम चाहते थे उनको भी एक्सपीरियंस हो जाए, पता नहीं उतना हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आपके जैसे पेरेंट्स जब हमारी हौसला अफजाई करते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि हमने तो कम किया, इससे और ज्यादा करना चाहिए बच्चों के लिए, ऐसा महसूस होता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग द स्कूल ऑलवेज। आप बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपका भी बहुत बहुत थैंक यू मैम। मैम एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ मैं।
हाँ जी
मैम, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि ऑफलाइन इनके एग्जाम होंगे,
हाँ जी,
तो उसके लिए मतलब आपने काफी मेरे हिसाब से तो किया होगा सेफ्टी के लिए इनकी, तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा आप बताएं कि क्या मतलब किस हिसाब से चलेगा सिस्टम।
अब ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि एक क्लास का सेम दिन एग्जाम हो, और ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि सेम दिन नहीं होगा। पूरी बिल्डिंग में नीचे से ऊपर तक जो हमारे पास 18 क्लासेस हैं सेंट्रल ब्लॉक में, उन 18 क्लासेस में अगर हम 6-6 करके बच्चे बिठा देंगे या 10-10 करके वो 6 फीट फासला करके, तो हम एक ही दिन एग्जाम ले पाएंगे। हम कुछ इस तरह से करेंगे कि एक दिन में पूरे स्कूल में सिर्फ 100 बच्चा होए और वो दूर दूर बिठा के एग्जाम दिया जाए। कोशिश पूरी है कि ये महसूस ना हो। नंबर 1 प्रिकॉशन सबसे पहले है, प्रिकॉशंस हम ले सकें बस वो सबसे पहले है। बाकी एग्जाम्स तो है ही इम्पोर्टेंट, बट नथिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन लाइफ एंड टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस अगेंस्ट कोविड। बाकी वक्त बताएगा कि क्या करना है। हमने भी कभी ऐसे एग्जाम्स नहीं लिए तो बहुत खुल के नहीं बता पाएंगे। वी आर पुटिंग आवर हेड्स टुगेदर, हम लोग डेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, आपस में बातचीत कर रहे हैं टीचर्स के साथ कि कैसे करना है। जैसे ही तय हो जाएगा सब कुछ हम बच्चों के साथ शेयर करेंगे, लेकिन चाहेंगे कि वो 3 घंटे का पेपर दें, वो जरूरी है।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, dear parent, for interacting with ma'am. So I think ma'am, now all the students have interacted. I really thank the students also. So thank you so much ma'am for sparing time for all the science students today. So I'm sure on the behalf of all the science student teachers, I promise you that everything you guided us will adopt definitely, and accordingly will guide our students in future also to work very hard and consider all your guidance and make their timetable, make the self study and take all the revision seriously. And I just promise on their behalf and will continuously guide them on the same lines, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Rajiv, I would request all the children to please let the cameras be on. मुझे promise ऐसी चाहिए बच्चों से कि I promise, हाथ ऊपर उठा के। बच्चों, I want you to promise me that you're going to study hard. मेरे साइंस के बच्चों, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। आप प्लीज अपने कैमरास को ऑन करिए and move your hand up and say I promise. I want to listen to you and I want to hear you. Please, I want to see you for that reason. Everybody, come on. What holds you from? I want to see you if you could see me. चलो राजीव सर, सबसे पहले आप अपना कैमरा ऑन करें। Everybody, please have your cameras on. Let's have a memorable picture also. इतना वक्त, not prepared. Not prepared जैसे भी हैं आप हमारे। Oh, thank you so much, Vijay Pratap. I'm so happy to see you. Everybody, चलो कैमरा ऑन करो। आवाज तो सुन ली बच्चे, but who's going to show? Oh, that's nice. That's Nakul. Yeah. Let's have a hands up. सब promise कर रहे हैं, सब लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं। The large gallery, please. The large gallery for everybody. Yes, I can see quite a number there. That's a promise that we're going to work hard. हमने कोविड को हराना है. कोविड को हम हराएंगे पढ़ाई करके. All right? और किसी चीज से हम नहीं हरा सकते. हम पढ़ाई करके कोविड को हराएंगे. वो हमने सोचा हुआ है. Right? ठीक है, हम हराएंगे कोविड को. आपके बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स हैं. आप लकी पेरेंट्स बच्चे हो, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने नहीं अपना हाथ उठाया है और अपने को अपना वीडियो नहीं ऑन किया है. प्लीज डू इट, डू इट, डू इट. गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू सो मच. यू नो, या प्लीज, आई कैन सी मोर चिल्ड्रन नाउ. प्लीज डू इट. अब सब करो. एक प्रॉमिस है, एक वादा है कि हमने पढ़ना है, बहुत जम के पढ़ना है, बहुत सारा पढ़ाई करनी है. प्लीज. I still see some, I just see about 10, 12 of you. I would like to see everybody, my dear beloved boys and girls. क्या करते हो? प्रिंसिपल बोल रही है कि शक्ल देखनी है तो दिखाओ. Yeah, some more have joined in, some more. बाकी लोग भी करो. That's so good. All of you doing that. I have other teachers also. Please, if I could see all of you. If I could see everybody. Yes, I can see Rajiv sir and others also, please. All teachers who are there. God bless you, my beloved students. I'm so thankful to you. So thankful. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. पढ़ना है, डट के पढ़ना है. हमने बहुत पढ़ना है. हराना है कोविड को. All right? So God bless you and thank you so much. Have a great day and a great month and study very, very hard. God bless you.